Imagine how long it takes to create this masterpiece of art out of imaginative word. This can only be God. But imagine you create a fascinating piece that can inspire so many people around you. Your piece of art should be something that could bring light to the people and to community, to society, to every ethnic group. I'm so proud doing this with passion without even hesitating because I know something, somewhere, someplace, he's going to hear results. Perfection is something that has to generate from inside. If you believe and you put more effort without thinking twice, without having a single doubt in your mind, I promise you, trust me, you will surely come to fulfillment of that purpose. Enjoy that which God has bestowed inside of you. Nobody else can applaud than when you begin to see far beyond the visioneer or whatever the imaginative for people around you. Craft is a perfection gift that God has put in you that has to represent, that will bring result, a trademark that the next generation to come will live to remember and to be grateful. So I am proud to be who I am, and I'm grateful to God for helping me to discover that sweetest part of me out of the darkest part of the world. I am your humble, greatest, blessed, motivated by God to be a blessing to you, my viewer and my listener. My name is your humble Christian Kamal, the artist, not just an artist, but inspirational and aspiring. I'm so excited that I'm beginning to see a lot of transformation in my art. This has been an inspiration, and to not just painting the regular work, doing a painting that has so much to speak about, a lot of narrative. Like you see, there's like a parrot, but not just a parrot like that. It shows you that has so much behind, a lot to do with this, and so the details and all that, you can see guys passing a message, passing a lot of message to this guy right here. Sometimes in our life we find ourselves in a position that we feel like you're starving, you're just you needed the last meal, you never know that meal you're looking for maybe what will change your life. You see, there's all to do about life.